Midge and the eggs. Here's Midge. He's having some eggs. What is he going to do? Say hello to Midge. Hi, Midge. Today is Midge's birthday, so Mommy is planning to bake the cake. She looked at the recipe. Flour, butter, milk, and 2 eggs. How many eggs do we need? 2. We need 2 eggs. So Mommy goes to the fridge, take out a box of eggs. She opened it up and see how many eggs left in the box.
1.
We only have 1 egg. Do we have enough egg for baking?
No.
No, we don't. What should we do if we don't have enough egg?
Buy.
Yes, we need to buy some eggs. So Mom tell Midge, Midge, can you please go and buy me some more eggs? Midge said, no problem, let me go and buy some. So he went to the egg shop. He take a dozen of eggs. He paid for the eggs. The shopkeeper asked Midge, do you need a plastic bag? Do you need a plastic bag, Midge?
Yes.
Yes, I may need 1 plastic bag because I don't carry any bag with me. So he put the egg in his bag. On the way home, he saw his friend is playing board games. Hey, Midge, come and play. Midge is busy. Midge is very busy. He can't join. My mom wants this egg. I think I have to play with you tomorrow. See you then.
佢要俾呢個俾媽咪先可以出去陪啲 friend 玩。
You are right. He has a duty. Later on, Midge saw his another friend. His friend has go-karts. Whoa, it's a new go-kart. He asked Midge, do you want to play with me? Do you want to have a go? Yes, I want. I love the yellow go-kart. It must be exciting. So Midge left his egg on the streets next to the trash bin and he played the go-kart with his friend. Where is his egg? Here, on the floor. He didn't take his egg with the go-kart. Look, the green truck. It is a trash truck. It's coming over. The worker is putting up the trash into the truck. He thought the plastic bags are all trash, including Midge's bag. So he take out Midge's bag of eggs and dump into the truck. Midge looked around and said, "Oh no, that's my egg." Midge got the eggs immediately, but it's too late. The eggs are all broken.
佢點樣攞返㗎？
He asked the worker, "Excuse me, please, that is my shopping bag. Can you give it to me, please?" So the worker gave him back the plastic bag. And Midge found all the eggs are broken. Midge's mom is very happy or angry? She's very angry, yes. Because all the eggs are broken. I asked you to buy some eggs and now you return all the broken eggs. The egg yolk and the egg whites are dripping on the floor. I can't use it anymore. So this time, Midge and Mommy and the little brother go to the egg shop again. Mommy took a dozen of eggs and put into her basket. The shopkeeper asked this time, "Do you need a plastic bag, madam?" What did she say?
No.
No, I don't need because I carry my own bag. I want to save the environment. I don't need any bag with me. Thank you, sir. She put the eggs in baskets. On the way home, she has a small talk with her friend. "Hi, how are you? Haven't been seeing you for long. How is everything going?" When Mommy is talking to her neighbor, the little brother takes out 1 egg. Oh no, he is going to throw the egg to the little puppy. Do you think Mommy still have some eggs for baking?
No.
No. Look, the little brother is playing with the egg. Stop him, or otherwise we don't have any birthday cake tonight.